Hi, in today's video we're making some spinach and lettuce mixed with mashed egg and chicken. So you just saw me cut my lettuce, and this is lettuce and spinach in a bowl. I cut the green pepper, mix it with the lettuce and spinach, cut the chicken. This is already boiled chicken. Pour it in a bowl. Cut my yellow bell pepper. Cut it into cubes. And also pour it in a bowl containing the chicken already cut. I cut my onions. Today I'm using half onions. Slice it into tiny pieces. Pour it in the bowl as well, containing the bell pepper and the chicken. This is avocado. I peeled it off, put it in a bowl. I cut my egg. I'm using 2 eggs for this recipe. Pour it in a bowl as well. I mix all of the ingredients together. Put in 2 tablespoons of honey, sweet honey. Begin to mash everything together. Boil the egg, the chicken, the green bell pepper, the red pepper. Mash everything together till thoroughly smooth. Make sure it's properly mixed up. I put in salt to taste. I mix everything together. If you have watched up until this moment, you haven't subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe to this channel. Give this channel a thumbs up and like this video. Thank you for watching. So I continue to mix the entire ingredient together. Until it's properly mixed up. If you love this recipe and you want more of this recipe, comment in the comment section. Love this recipe and I will make more of this similar recipe. Here I'm mixing the spinach and the lettuce together. So I'm putting all of the ingredients, the mashed egg and the chicken, all the ingredients mixed together. I'm topping it on the vegetables. I'm sprinkling carrots, already cut carrots on the ingredient. And here our ingredient is ready. Enjoy. See you guys next time. Once again, if you love this recipe, comment love this recipe and you get more of this. Thank you.